In this video, I'm going to continue with techniques of integration, and I'm going to give another example for integration by parts. Okay, so here's the function we want to integrate right here. Integral of x e to the 5x dx. And here's your formula. We want to select a u and a v prime from this integrand right here. Okay, so somewhere here we need a u, function of x, and a v prime, function of x. And then once we select our u and our v prime, then from v prime we can find v, hopefully. Again, remember that u, we want it to be something that you can differentiate or take the derivative easily. V prime, we want it to be something that we can integrate easily. Okay, so usually in general the v prime function will be a little bit more complex. Okay, and then once you get your v prime, you get v, and then you just plug into this formula right here, and you're hoping that this integral right here will be a little bit easier to integrate than the given one. Okay, so keep in mind that here you're always looking for two functions. Now again, if you just have e to the 5x or something like that, remember 1 is a constant function. So in some cases you might want to use 1. Okay, but in this case I'm going to let u equal to x, because I can easily take the derivative of u. Okay, so here I'm just going to say u prime, or the derivative, is going to be 1. Okay, for v prime, I need something I can integrate, so e to the 5x is the only option I have left, e to the 5x. So that would tell me then that v should equal 2. This is one of your basic integration problems here. Divide this by the derivative of 5x, which is 5. And there you have it. Okay. So these are the substitutions over here in this formula right here, where I have a u, I'm going to put x. Where I have a v, I'm going to put e to the 5x over 5. And where I have a u prime, okay, I'm going to put a 1. Okay. So it'll look like this. Okay, so right here, u times v, u is x, and v is e to the 5x over 5. So there you have it. Okay. Now in this integral right here, where I have a v, I'm going to put e to the 5x over 5. Where I have a u prime, I'm going to put a 1. Okay. So there you have it. V, e to the 5x over 5 times 1 dx. Now the only thing I had to do here is simply take the antiderivative. So all I have then here is just e to the 5x over 5. So it's basically the same type of integration as this one right here. Have another factor of 5 here, so that's going to multiply the 5 down there. So it'll just give me e to the 5x over 25 plus the constant of integration. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay. And again, in some problems, not always, but in a lot of problems, you can easily check your answer by simply taking the derivative of your answer, and you should get the integrand right here. Okay, so thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video with more examples.